situation or an odyssey. Hip-hop, it's gotta be. Come see the world, how I perceive. Throwing up performing for you possibly, but the way you keep laughing at me, you must have thought it's comedy. My life was always a joke. All I ever done was bottom feed. As a kid I came off as an oddity, sprung up as a bigger one, but now I'm not bullied for the life I lead. Think I write for fun, but I write because I believe bad days gotta get better. Suffering from poverty, so I scribble and giggle at the possibility of being recognized. Record deal for the hostility, the glow of the stage and the mic in the booth. Believe I can get it if I stick to the truth, but sometimes it feels like a constant pursuit. The air turns to water, drowning in the oxygen I breathe. How could my lungs have turned into the sea? And that's how it seems to be. The difficulty of running in circles all the time. And it never occurred to me, no, I never realized that love was the cure to eating myself alive. Instead of spilling my guts, I wanted her when I cried. Forget about the rhyme, I got love by my side. But I wanna be recognized, I want people to step aside and get all sorry-eyed when I get a mic and vocalize my opinions. So you can come to me and criticize, but you never take my passion. It'll never be jeopardized, cause I put my heart into every line. My life, I didn't mean to emphasize, but if you're thinking that I'm full of lies, you're gonna need a new outfit. When I leave you bloody to a different kind of outfit. But I'm not a mean guy, don't mean to sound violent. I'm just a loaded gun that's been silent. I pray to a God that I don't believe exists. Isn't that ironic? Yes it is. And if that ain't crazy enough, then here's a twist. Every other night I sprawl into fits. Jesus, can you hear me? Why must I persist? I read your stupid book, here you go, choke on it. Thou shalt not take the Lord's name in vain. Well, is he in mine? Cause if he is, then I can't feel him. These walls start talking and his ceiling starts peeling. Trauma must have broken cause these scars aren't healing. Screaming, that's what these thoughts are, screaming. I think I need help, maybe God just lost hearing. And the thought transformed the rhyme, metamorphosize whatever's on my mind, and spill it on the page in the form of a line. But for talking the way I do, hell is where I'll reside. And I'll keep preaching it till I'm 65, cause this is my life. Take it if you like. Demonic, psychotic, idiotic, can't profit. They ask me if I'm smart, cause I act so stupid. That's why it's called acting stupid, and they call you smart. But why do I need a brain if the music comes from the heart? Staring off into space, must be gazing at the stars. Enveloped in light or imprisoned by the dark. Try to get big off raps like I forgot to watch my carbs. Give you peace of my mind like you were the sheetrock, and I was blowing my brains out with this heat box. That's what a gun should be called with all that firepower. Never knew that suicide would make you a coward. Why does everything I write take a turn for the worse? This is supposed to be inspirational, look how well it worked. Like I stated before, this ain't a gift, it's a curse. But this is what you get when you get what you deserve. Hear the faint sound of my voice, heart murmur. Sometimes I feel if I grow up I might murder. Get a rush from killing cause my blood just ain't enough. Why is everything I say so screwed up? So if I die and no one cares, that'd be beautiful. Cause then no one will feel sorrow at my funeral. I'm done. I'm done.